What's up, online shoppers? I have an absolutely gorgeous acrylic paint set. Now this one here was gifted to me by the brand, but I've actually already purchased it for my niece as well. I don't profess to know a lot about acrylic paints, but I do have a niece who does, so I think this is going to be an awesome gift for her. Let's open up the box and see what you get. Now, one of the things that drew me to this is that this paint set isn't just paints. It has all kinds of other really cool things in here, so you can basically just open up the box and get creative. So this has 24 different acrylic paint colors. You've got a really nice package of artist brushes, everything from flat brushes to liners to glazing brushes, a whole variety. So basically this is everything you need in one little bag. They also give you a paint palette so that you can mix all of your paints on here. Now this is the part that I thought was really cool. They give you 5 of their acrylic paint canvases. Now I think that that makes this a really great gift for your little artist, because not only do you have all these fantastic colors in here, but they give you all the things you need to get started. And these paint canvases are awesome. They are the 8.5 by 10 inch size, which is a really nice size for your little crafts people. Here are the paints, and they are truly awesome. Now, something else that's pretty cool about this is these are all non-toxic acrylic paints, which means that they're great paints for you to get for your little crafters, because you can give them to them and know that they're using something that isn't going to harm them. Screw top lids, easy to squeeze and distribute into your paint canvases. Something else that's kind of cool, and I don't know a ton about paints, but what I do know is that the little circles, whether they're colored in or they're half colored in, and the little pluses on these sides are going to tell you how transparent the paint is and how vibrant the colors are, how saturated. So that's also pretty cool to have that explained to you right in the palette. You've got your 24 different colors right there, nicely displayed. Now, another thing that I think is pretty cool is that now that the package is opened, I still have these trays for displaying my colors, and I can actually put everything right back into the box, store it really nicely, and then anytime my little niece is ready to get creative, my sister-in-law just has to pull the box out, give her that, and everything is right there. One thing I do know is that I've purchased the Chalkola brand craft supplies frequently. I love their watercolor paints, I love their markers and their acrylic paint markers. Everything about them is top quality. I love how easy they are to use. I love the wide variety of vibrant, bright colors, metallics, pastels. You literally get everything when you purchase from Chalkola. The quality from this brand is top shelf. The other thing that's great about these acrylic paints is that you can use them on virtually any surface: wood, glass, paper, canvas, rock. They have lots of different applications. This is a pretty awesome set. Everything that you need to get started, from brushes to canvases to a great little palette, and then a really nice way to store your paints afterwards. This is a no-brainer if you're looking for a gift, or if you are an artist and you need another set of acrylic paints. 24 beautiful colors, rich, vibrant, lots of variety, a palette for mixing, brushes and canvases, all that fits back in the box for easy storage. This is awesome. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.